If you get this error message in Teamfight Tactics, which say these players don't have the same game version as the party owner, make sure everyone had the newest version by restarting the client. Now, I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, in most cases, it occurs when you try to play crossplay with your friend who is on a different device. Maybe you're on mobile and he is on PC, or you're on Android and he is iPhone. Now, follow these instructions very carefully. Now, the first step you need to do is make sure you are running the latest version of the TFT, which is Teamfight Tactics. If you're on Android, just go on Play Store and make sure the app is updated. If you're on iPhone, just make sure to go to App Store. If you're on PC, make sure to restart the client and make sure you're running the latest version. Now, maybe if you're still facing again the same issue despite you running the latest version, now follow these instructions here. The easiest way to bypass this issue is to start the game on the same type of device, for example, both on PC or both on mobile. Once the game begins loading, close the app and switch back to the intended devices. So the easiest way to bypass this issue is to start the game on the same type of device, for example, both on PC or both on mobile. Once the game begins loading, close the app and switch back to the intended devices. So this is the best way on how to fix this error, which say these players do not have the same game version as the party owner. Let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.